In this video, you'll learn how to change the lock screen app shortcuts on your Google Pixel phone. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to customize which apps are quickly accessible from your lock screen, enhancing your overall user experience. Begin by unlocking your Pixel phone and locating the Settings app. The Settings app typically has a gear icon and can usually be found on your home screen or within the app drawer. Once you open the Settings app, scroll down the list of options until you find either Display or Security and Privacy. The exact label may vary depending on the version of your device. After selecting Display or Security and Privacy, look for Lock Screen Settings. This section is specifically designed for lock screen customization. It is important to ensure you are in the correct settings area, as this is where you can edit the shortcuts effectively. Once you find lock screen settings, tap on it to proceed. Next, look for the option labeled Lock Screen Shortcuts, or a similar term. This will display the options available for the left and right shortcut icons on your lock screen. You may see icons representing the current apps assigned to these shortcuts. Tap on the shortcut you wish to change to continue. A list of available apps will now appear on your screen. This list includes all apps that can be assigned as shortcuts. Select the app you want to assign to the chosen shortcut. By doing this, you are allowing quick access to that app directly from the lock screen, which can be particularly useful for frequently used applications. After selecting your desired app, confirm your selection and then exit the settings menu. To test the changes, lock your phone and observe the shortcuts that now appear on the lock screen. Swipe the newly assigned shortcut to ensure that it opens the correct app. If you find that the shortcuts do not meet your convenience needs, you can repeat the process to make further adjustments. This feature was designed to enhance your accessibility to apps based on your personal usage patterns. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.